This is where comedy comes to life on
Yo, you know me say a dead man over good road again.
I'm fine.
Good. We are doing this. We are doing this. When I go off now, you see? See now? Press this down.
What does this do?
Yo, you try.
Try?
Yeah, come on, water. Try.
Yes, I literally saw him in there.
Yeah? So what was it?
It was bad like AIDS.
We are live now, you know.
Good morning, after night to all the rats, roaches, pussycat and dogs and elephant. You are now tuning to the JNL TV, Channel 8 News. I'm JNL.
And I'm DJ.
And now, the news.
A man who was riding by the Tivoli Gardens area today was shot by a shooting star. Police say he was only 10 months old.
Oh God. What a devastating story.
Whoa. These boys nowadays, shooting star, they're shooting people.
I'm going to stop making wishes. And in other news, a woman has been struck by a ranger and while she was going home, she bumped her toe and the ants and suffered from very dangerous injuries. Doctor pronounced her dead on her way to hospital, and she was treated and released.
4 men were shot and killed in a fly-by shooting this morning at about 4 p.m. The 4 dead men has been identified as KFC, Juicy Beef, Mothers and Wendy's. Funeral service for the 4 men will be kept at the Bellevue Hospital sometime last month. Yes, and today a blind deaf man saw and told the news that Michael Jackson was asking for a Whitney Houston up by the Bob Marley Museum in downtown Kingston today.
Okay. In other news, an elderly lady shot a falling off a tree, closing the transportation center and several business places. But that didn't stop. That didn't stop the teenagers from going to Limelight. And we have many more stories coming after this small little break.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.
The Black Chinese Restaurant.
I want food over Black China, some food bad than years.
Come to the Black Chinese Restaurant. We have famous dishes like it's so delicious that your friend have to buy one too.
Get affected from it. It's good, eh? Yeah, bad like years. Bad like years. Yeah, we're at them before. Yes, bad like years.
Come to the Black Chinese Restaurant where the food is bad like heads, bad like heads, bad like heads, bad like heads, bad like heads.
The time by arbitrary clock is... It never works.
Welcome back, viewers. Welcome back. Alright, viewers. We're going to go to a live stream right now on the boulevard with Nick. Nick, we're live.
We're alive, Nick.
Nick, we're live.
Sorry. As you can see, I'm here live on the boulevard where a plane has just overtaken a bus and it's caused a major traffic on the traffic road. So as you can see,
Oh my God, viewers, I'm sorry for that technical difficulties. We are now working on that and we'll be back to Nick soon. You know that I'm tired of hearing these damn planes overtaking buses on the highway and causing some
tragic accidents.
Some wicked accidents.
Yeah. Oh God, man.
We're going to the weather right now.
Good evening and welcome to the weather report. I am Boone. There will be hot rainfalls and sunny snarl. So couples, gear up. The time I blow cool. Now we go to sports commentary with Snora Tracy.
Snora! Hey! It's Snora Tracy! Hey! We got news for you. Get a letter. National football player, Usain Bolt, balls a cricket ball and run past hot bad man them and comfy place. Hey, where is the comfy place? And now he's number one for the Sunshine Girls. Top striker. Let me celebrate. Number one top striker. Wait. God said we must look woman, breed them and start multiply. sorry, Jesus. Thanks viewers for watching the JNL TV Channel 8 News. I'm JNL.
And I am DJ.